Hello everyone. Welcome to this podcast show. I am Ashton, host of today's episode. Are you interested in the transformative powers of Ayurveda and how it can improve your physical and mental health? Consult with Ayurvedic consultants at Holistic Ayurveda in New York City and attend their one-day intensive workshop. In this workshop, you can gain extensive knowledge about the magical power of Ayurveda and the fundamental principles of Ayurveda. Ayurveda workshop is designed to help people improve their health, maintain a balanced lifestyle, and increase energy level. With 2.0 years of experience, the Ayurvedic experts can give your specific dasha and custom tips and create your new lifestyle regimen. To attend this one-day workshop and learn the simple tips and tricks for creating and experiencing a healthy and happy life, contact Holistic Ayurveda. Call at +1 71853685564 to book your spot today to attend the meaningful Ayurveda workshop. Also, visit www.holisticayurveda.com for more info. That's all for now. Thank you for listening to my podcasts. I will be back soon. Stay tuned.